Part 2 to my very busy Thursday vlog, you guys. So anyway, I had to go back to work and then I needed to still get my eyebrows threaded. So I tried this new place, 0 out of 10, had my eyebrows super thin like it was 2012. I got my kids. We headed over to the football field. I had to leave my son for just about 10 minutes before my husband was going to get there because I had to rush Kari over to gymnastics, y'all. And she just loves maxed out gym and I love it too. She's learning a lot and more than anything, it's a whole lot of fun. After that, we left. I needed to stop and get a Sprite because I told y'all that scramble bowl from Chick-fil-A messed my stomach up. Why do you keep taking the soles out of your shoes, girl? But anyway, I got her all ready for bed. We did bath time, greased her scalp real good, y'all. And we did our storybook time and it was lights out for Miss Kari. Around that time, my husband and my son came home and it was bath time for him. He's not that dirty, y'all. That's some rainbow bathtub stuff that he likes. Anyway, got him in bed. My husband and I ordered some American Deli, you guys. And we were just chilling. I was tired, y'all. So not too long after that, it was lights out and bedtime. And that was all. Good night.